welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And in this video today we are going to look at dollar index and see what price is willing to do. Let's start from monthly time frame, because as you know, monthly time frame is where all the details that are available at. But mark you, the monthly chart is meant for the long term. It's not you will not expect a past delivery on price. Okay, so on monthly time frame, we can see dollar index has come all the way and took out this buy side liquidity, which came around 109.724, and just above that we also have a fair value gap on the monthly chart around 112.475. so before that we already seen how price took this fair value, took this buy side liquidity. So let's drop down to weekly time frame. Here we are on the weekly time frame, and let's zoom in and see all the price actions on detail. Okay, I zoom out the chart, and as you can see, I already put on my annotations. Okay, right here is the monthly buy side liquidity that price come and took out the buy side liquidity, and now we can see before then there was this PDRA, this order block, this bullish order block that price came on August and respected the order block. It found a support on this order block, and then price delivered directly towards this monthly draw on liquidity, and now the liquidity was taken, the buy side liquidity was taken. But before then we can see how price left behind this fair value gap, which has an order block, which has a bullish order block on it. Okay, so now personally I know anytime price take out a significant old high or old low, price tends to retrace before continue moving up or continue moving down. So in this case also I'm expecting dollar index to make some retracement. Short term I will be expecting dollar index to retrace into this fair value gap. So for now I can say my bias is bearish. I'm bearish because of this reason. Okay, this is the daily time frame, and let's study the past price action. You see right here price respected this fair value gap, and there was also an order block, a bullish order block, which later on as price started rejecting from the fair value gap, from the bottom of the fair value gap, then price returned all the way to tap into this bullish order block and then rallied. It took out this buy side liquidity, and it also took out buy side liquidity. If you check reference on my previous YouTube analysis on dollar index, you'll see where I explained this. I think I explained it in Hausa or English, I couldn't remember, but I am sure that I explained this scenario. Okay, price came all the way and took this buy side liquidity. It also took this buy side liquidity. So now what happened was price we have this daily fair value gap, which is a weekly fair value gap that we refine. Now take a look, we have this down candle. These three down candles are one order block according to ICT. Okay, and now we also have this thing that we need to consider. Let's look at how price delivers from this place upward. We have a what? We have a trend line phantom. We know for sure that there are trend line traders, the retail traders, retail based strategy traders that have been waiting to buy while price make a retest at this level, which is not what we are looking at. So this is a trend line phantom, and we can see that the market started taking that trend line phantom liquidity, and for now short term I'm expecting dollar index to come all the way and take this sell side liquidity, because as I told you previously that I'm bearish. I'm bearish on dollar index. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come and take this sell side liquidity. I'm expecting price to take this sell side liquidity and drop to this daily fair value gap. Okay, I have this sell side liquidity, pardon me. So I'm expecting price to take this sell side liquidity and come to this fair value gap. Okay, so let's drop down to 4-hour time frame. Now the picture is more clearer as we come down to lower time frames. You can see the logic and the confluence we have been having from monthly time frame downward to the lower time frame up to 4-hour time frame. Here is a trend line phantom. For those who know what trend line phantom is, this is a trend line phantom, and we can see the market has already taken out all the buy side all the sell side liquidity resting below the trend line phantom. Okay, so let's study the previous week price action on dollar index. We have seen where price came and took this short-term high buy side liquidity, and then all this that happened here can be considered as smart money reversal. We know what smart money reversal is. Yeah, this is a smart money reversal. Okay, a kind of inducement. Okay, it already induces retail based strategy traders that this is a breakout, which is not. So beside that, we have the market shift in market structure. That is the bearish shift in market structure, which is also a confirmation to our daily, to our high time frame bias. That is the bearish bias. So when price break this bearish market structure, we can see we have a pair value gap right here, and now we can expect some retracement down to this volume imbalance, which also has a bearish fair value gap. All right, let's drop down to 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, you can see we already the information, the details is more clear here. This is a shift in market structure. This is a shift in market structure. You can see this is a shift in market structure, and we can see how price, after breaking the bearish market structure, how price retraces back to this pair value gap, which is also a pair value gap in the 4-hour time frame. And we also have a bearish order block, and we can see how price instantly drop from the feedy array and poised low. This means that our high time frame analysis, our high time frame bias is still on track. So now I'm personally very on dollar, and I will be expecting lower prices on dollar index this coming week. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask on the comment section. Please press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for me to be gingered and motivated to do more videos. Thank you for watching.